In this tutorial we will learn entering data for ANOVA in SPACES software. Before that, let us understand the assumption to calculate one-way ANOVA. While calculating one-way ANOVA in SPACES, the dependent variable should be measured on continuous scale. In this measurement scale, the dependent variable must be continuous scale. Either it may be interval or ratio scale, and there should be 3 or more than 3 groups of any such groups. If there is less than 3 groups, you can calculate through t-test. But if you want to apply one-way ANOVA, there must be more than 3 groups. So these 2 conditions are mandatory to apply one-way ANOVA. This tutorial is like something like practical to theory to practical, because I will select a real life situation to apply this problem. For that I have selected IGNOU material, post-graduation diploma in applied statistics material, which I passed last year. So this is a problem, one-way ANOVA problem. In this problem, an investigator is interested to know the level of knowledge about history of India in 4 different schools, such as school 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 different schools, an investigator is trying to know the level of knowledge about history, and a test is given to 5, 6, 7, 6 students of 8th class. In the first school 5 students, in the second school 6 students, third school 7 students, and in the fourth school 6 students. They are undertaken for test. Okay, so now we will learn how to enter these data. To calculate one-way ANOVA, there must be 2 types of data. One is categorical or nominal data, and one more is scale data. Okay, so the nominal or categorical data will be independent variable, and scale data must be dependent variable. In this case, the level of knowledge for different schools I will consider it as independent variable. It means the level of knowledge of history in 4 different schools I will consider it as independent variable. So the data I will enter here, then history knowledge, and by default it is selecting all. In the label I will give the level of knowledge of history in 4 different schools, and values I will enter here. Values, first school, first value will be school 1, and second value will be school 2, and third value will be school 3, and last 4th value will be school 4. So the school number we have entered as values in the school, and since the level of knowledge of history is categorical data, it means school 1, 2, 3, 4. We can categorize that. So I will select ordinal data, and now I will enter the test score of these 4 schools. For that, test score, and by default test score means test score of 4 different schools, and value I am not going to assign value. In the measure I will select this as scale, because since it is a dependent variable, the dependent variable must be on continuous scale, which means either it is interval or ratio scale there must be. So now I will enter data in a SPACES data view. So for the history knowledge of 4 different schools, I want to concentrate on sample. In the school 1 there is 5 sample, so I have given symbol for school 1 as 1, so I will enter 5 times, which means 5 sample taken from school 1, and school 2 6 sample, school 3 7 sample, school 4 6 sample. So 6 and 6 sample from school 2, and from school 3 7 samples, and from school 4 6 samples. So totally 24 samples are there. Why I am giving 1, 2, 3 means for school 1 I have codified as 1, school 2 I have codified as 2, and respected sample of each school I have given. Here I will copy the test score. So in the school 1 there are 5 samples test score are given. I have entered in the Excel sheet. I will copy this and paste in the spaces directly. It will take directly. So, and for school 2 I will select like this, school 2 data. Look at here, school 2 data 646567 and school 3 data 6556785. I will copy that too and paste in the spaces data view. The response taken from the students from school 3, and from school 4, look at here 566767, and I will copy the same thing and paste in the spaces. So this is the response of school 4. So if you want to know the respected school code, click here. It will show like school 1 5 sample, and school 2, school 3, school 4. So this is how you will enter data in a SPSS software. So in the next tutorial you will learn how to analyze data, one-way ANOVA data in SPSS software. Thank you so much for watching this video.